At De Lorenzo, we are committed to excellence and innovation in technical and scientific education. Introducing our Advanced Artificial Intelligence Learning Lab, designed to train the next generation of industry professionals. We believe that an artificial intelligence laboratory is essential due to its transformative impact on both the educational and industrial sectors. In the educational field, an AI lab enables students to acquire critical theoretical and practical skills, preparing them for contemporary and future technological demands. This practical training ensures that students not only understand the theoretical concepts of AI, but are also able to apply them in real-world situations, thereby improving their employability and professional effectiveness. Our first lab is completely focused on teaching and experimenting with artificial intelligence. Here, students work with neural networks, machine learning algorithms, and practical applications such as pattern recognition or prediction systems. It is the perfect place for those who want to master the world of data and smart decision-making. Now, if in addition to artificial intelligence, you are looking to take a step towards the industrial environment, our second laboratory expands the experience with advanced automation. Here, students combine artificial intelligence with technologies such as industrial controllers, precision sensors, and robotic systems, just as they would find in modern production plants. It is a direct immersion in the fourth industrial revolution. The scope of the labs ranges from the basics of artificial intelligence to complex machine learning techniques, providing a solid foundation that is essential for any AI technologist. Sensors and actuators as data sources, coupled with robust data processing and analysis practices, enable students to gain competencies in gathering and utilizing information to realize advanced solutions. The labs also focus on programming and the use of artificial intelligence tools, training students in the use of cutting-edge technologies to develop innovative solutions. Students have the opportunity to apply their knowledge in real-world situations, designing solutions for industrial applications, preparing them to face real-world challenges. Thank you for giving me this brief space to explain the essence of our laboratory.
Find out more about our programs and how we can help you achieve your professional goals. Contact one of our advisors and we will be happy to help you solve your need. Visit our website and join De Lorenzo, a leader in advanced technical education.